Hey, what's up, BBT? This is Chris. I took 4 trades today, 2 opening plays that did not work out, and 2 other plays, one on NIO and one on plug. So the first trade was a fallen angel on PDD, and I like this 136 level. I thought it had a good chance of bouncing off of it and sort of pivoting there and going for a nice run. It was very strong this morning. I think it was up maybe 20, 25% at the open. So I like that a lot. And 136 was respected in the pre-market pretty much to the penny right before the open. So I thought it was a good level to go off of. It sold off, bought back up, went along. Did not work out. Such is life. Okay, so the next trade I took was a 2-minute opening range breakdown on Lyft. And this level, 3570, was respected to the penny. Support, 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 resistance. So, I mean, it's like splitting price action so cleanly. So I like that a lot right into the open. And at the open, it rejected it twice, right here, and then it tested it to the penny here and bounced off of it. So, I felt pretty confident in this trade, and I ended up going short. I'm not sure what the level 2 looked like. I'll have to go back in and do some review on this one. But I did like the daily chart here. Inverted hammer off of larger volume, and I thought, you know what, if we could break pre-market low, there's a nice gap to fill, and I think we'd have a good chance at having a runner. So I don't know. Again, I got to go back and review this one, but it definitely had some good things going for it. All right, the next trade was on NIO. Next trade was on NIO here, and I really like this 4440 level. 4440 was really good on the 15-minute chart. So 4440 is just splitting price action very nice. So this is the pre-market price action. Split it really nice. Resistance, support. I really like this. Felt like it was really clean, but also a few days ago, you could tell that this range, 4440, plus or minus 5 cents, was also significant. So it was resistance here. A bit of resistance here, and it split price nicely here as well. So I thought that was interesting, and I wanted to see how NIO was going to react to it. And so what happened was we sold off, essentially did a double bottom, just could not break 44. It sold off, and then it bought up with this hammer here off of increasing volume. And I also like this 5-minute hammer as well down here. So these are really nice buying wicks. So I thought, you know what, NIO has been really hot lately. Maybe we can have another good day today. I really like that we got up above 44.40, and I ended up entering at the break of 44.50, or I think it was 44.54, or maybe 55. This level right here I felt was really nice, right in the open. Clear resistance, support, resistance. So just a really clean level. I thought if we are gonna get up above 44.55, it's probably gonna break with momentum, because a lot of traders I know are excited about NIO, and that's what happened. So good entry. Went my way, consolidated around VWAP for a little bit. I added into my position at the break of 45, but so did everyone else, it felt like. So I didn't get the fill that I wanted, but it's okay. I added in, and it went my way, and I ended up partialing a little too aggressively. I have to work on that, and I got all out right around 46. So I'm happy with this trade. I think there was a lot going for it. Yeah, I think it was a good trade. The last trade here was on plug. And I like this for a type 2 ABCD pattern, and it was also ascending here. Okay, so on the 2-minute chart, it looks really nice. We have ABCD, second bottom, higher than the first one, and I like that. And it was also trading in a bit of a range here. It threw this hammer down here after it tried to break down through the bottom of the range, but it couldn't do it. It threw this hammer, and I also noticed this hammer too off of very good volume, respecting the 50 SMA. So I like that. We were holding. I like that. We're holding the bottom of the range. I was like, you know what? I feel like there's a good chance for a breakout. So I went long, and I think my stop was the bottom of this wick here. I was a little nervous for a bit. I thought it was actually going to break down just because the moving average is converging, but I decided to just hang in there, and whatever happens, happens. And it ended up breaking out how I anticipated. I almost added here. I think I did add here, but my level 2 wasn't selected, so I just didn't get the add there. And then just partial on the way up, and added at pullbacks. and I wanted to get all out right around here, and I think I had an order at 23.95, but it just, yeah, just it went to like 23.94 and then broke down, right? And I tried one more ad. I thought maybe we'd rally. The level 2 was still looking really good, and I was right, but it broke down a little further before it ran. So those are my trades for today. I hope you guys had a good day. Thank you.